Bartleby.
So what?
The Bartleby dessert.
The what dessert?
Bartleby.
What's that?
It's like it is. I had it last time I came. It's called the Bartleby. It's like you know what I'm talking about?
With the chocolate
The
on
Bartleby
there.
with the chocolate. Yeah, the Bartleby.
From Gallatin.
From Castleton, yeah.
Show him. Show him. It's in the menu.
It's in here somewhere.
It's on the menu.
It's called the Bartleby.
We was looking at it.
Satay still 180.
Yeah.
I've never heard of boss. What is it?
The Bartleby. Say Bartleby.
Your boss right now.
What's on it?
You never heard of
Like
it?
chocolate and has like.
It got like almonds
Yeah, almonds and chocolate.
and Buddha
I don't get
Loves.
almonds because I'm allergic, but the Bartleby is like my favorite dessert. I don't know what's wrong with her. I don't know what she's laughing for. All I want is a Bartleby dessert. And, you know, I mean, it's okay if you don't have it. It's okay if you don't have it. You know, but the bar, it's awesome. You should go to
What
Castleton
about the
one
Buddha?
day.
What about the Buddha?
The Boudoir? What? I don't get it. You don't know the Boudoir? It's okay. It's alright. I understand. He's a good player.
Everybody in the camera.
Everybody get the camera. Look at Bobby cracking up. Olivia, I can't do it with you. I can't do it with Olivia.
No. She said it got the chocolate on it.
And Jade.
That's what Dan said. Dan said from Castleton, right?
Yeah.